This is a CELLTECH 7x14 heavy duty enclosed trailer. It's got an all steel construction, walls, floor, frame, everything. Walls and floor are made of a kind of a honeycomb steel structure. So it weighs just as much as a standard aluminum skinned enclosed trailer. This one's got the white walls, ceiling and gray floor. You got 4 D-rings in the floor standard. 4 vertical sections of E-track going up the walls. LED lights inside. I got some samples of this walls so you can see how it's made. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Got the blackout trim all the way around it. Screwless, so no screws in the exterior. Smooth panels. LED lights all the way around. They're built heavy duty. This one's got the 5,200 pound axles. It's bigger axles than most standard 7x14s. A 7,000 pound jack with the Bulldog style coupler. You got a ladder going up to the roof. It'll have a walk-on roof. Some more E-track up here on the roof. This is a real heavy duty trailer. Built to last, great for roofers, landscapers, construction workers. It's a really tough trailer. All steel frame. These are the panels the CELLTECH trailers are made out of. The floor and the roof about the same thickness, but you can see the kind of honeycomb interior these are made out of. That's what gives it the strength and the lightweight ability of it. That would be the roof there. Another one showing you the floor. A little bit different material, but, well, a little bit different coating. The walls, a little bit thinner because you don't need thick walls. And then the biggest one would be the ramp doors. They're all made out of the honeycomb, and that's where they get their strength from.